Hello guys, welcome back to the series Introduction to Python. In this video, we are going to see how to open the file using the with statement. In our previous video, we have seen how to open the file and perform a certain operation on the file and close the file. So in this example, we are going to see how the with statement works. So what is the difference between an open function and the with open function? In our previous case, we need to explicitly specify the close statement once you perform the operation. Whereas when you're using the with statement, you no need to perform the close function. Python itself will perform that operation for us. This is the syntax for with open statement. It starts with the keyword with and it is followed by an open keyword. And inside the parenthesis, we specify the file name and the mode in which we wanted to open the file. Then we assign them to a variable name. Then we perform an operations. Let's look into an example to have a better understanding. I'm going to open the file in a write mode, file with, and assign a variable called file with. So I have a file, text file called new file, and it is an empty file. So let's write something inside the file. So call the variable name and use the dot operator and call the write function. So I'm going to write first line using with open. So if I run this line, the Python interpreter will open the file called new file and write this line into the file and close the file. Let's run the program and check this out. Let's open the file to see. Yes, the string has been written inside the file. So if you guys noticed, I haven't explicitly specified the close statement. This is the advantage of using the with statement. You no need to explicitly close the file. I believe you guys understood the use case of the with statement and how to use the file using the with statement. See you guys in the next video.